200 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. This process will continue. 3 goes into 2 how many times? 0 times, as 2 is less than 3. So 0 times 3 is 0. Subtract 2. Bring down this 2, this digit 0. 3 goes into 20 how many times? 3 goes into 20. 7 times 21, which is greater. So 6 times. 6 times 18. 6 times 3, 18. Subtract 2. Bring down this digit. 3 goes into 20 again 6 times. 6 times 3, 18. Subtract 2. So our answer is 0. Our answer is this. 0, 6, 6 means 66, remainder 2. But if I want to write my answer in decimal form, then what will happen? Convert this whole number into decimal number. You can take any number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. But before the 0 there is a decimal, so decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 20 again 6 times. 6 times 6 times 3, 6 times 3, 18. Subtract 2. Bring down the next 0. Again 3 goes into this 6 times. Okay, so 6 times 3, 18. Subtract, bring down more 0, 20. 6 goes into 20 again 6 times. 6 times 3, 18. Subtract 2. This process is continuing. As we have gotten 3 digit after decimal, we can place here 3 dot to mean that this process is continuing. This is the result. But you can also write the result placing a bar, right? This means that this 6 is repeating, 66.6 bar.